Alright, so here we are with the Datsun again. Now it's time to chop out the floorboard. As you can see here, it's gone slightly past surface rust. So we're going to get that chopped out, and we're just going to weld a new plate in there. And also cut out the rest of that firewall and just redo those welds with that sheet metal right there. Just redo it, make it nicer looking. Alright, so floor pan is cut out now. Still need to do a little bit of cleanup over there, but I believe I'm probably going to have to do a continuation up all the way through and just make a 90 in the sheet metal. Right there is the frame. It doesn't really look like it's supporting much. So I am going to have to build new frame rails for it because another company makes them and they're like $600, and I just don't have the funding for that. So we're going to keep continuing with chopping this out. Look at that, I also uncovered a pretty big rat's nest too. At least what used to be one. Alright, got the floorboard cut out. Now I can see the real damage of the frame, which I already showed earlier, and the subframe that goes into the engine bay. Looks like this should be fixable because it looks good up above that crease there. I should be able to just kind of put some sheet metal in there and make sure it's reinforced and all that. The frame rails are going to be another story. Looking at them, they can't be that difficult to make, but they're still going to be a pain. Yeah, so now the firewall is cut out and I just have to weld in some more sheet metal, fix the firewall, fix the floor pan, and continue stripping out the rest of the interior. Alright, that should do it for today's video. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys would rather have more consistent short form videos or more spread out longer videos. I thought it would be kind of nice to kind of break down each step of the process in different videos. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next time.